Ikomano ya kila mwaka ya Alimu Anene Sukulu Sya Sekondali yiithiwa iyambiisya muthenyani wa vala Alimu Anene mbee wa ngili muonza mavaniite kuvika. Mwenekivila wa KESHHA Willie Kuria niwaweta kana mavaniite kuneenanisya maundu kuvathuka'nyo meokonia masomo na kuikiithya nimekia mawalan'yo mwanya Kumina Ithokoo Masukuluni maukoma kana boarding schools na kumantha Nzia sya mwanya sya kuikiithya amaniwa nimethiwa meokonia Masukuluni. Angelina Muse ena ilivoti.
Nena kavindani kala methiwa makuyumbanisya Ikomano ya miongo ina na kenda ya kila mwaka ya Alimu Anene Sukulu Sya Sekondali Mwenekivila ngwatanio Willie Kuria niwaweta kana nimakuvikia kuneenanisya na kumanza Nzia sya mwanya sya kuikiithya nimawalaan'yo Ithokoo kati wa manyiwa Sukuluni ine kana kwailia kisomo.
This is a time that we have experienced unrest in schools, and definitely when we come to this conference, that is a key issue that we shall be discussing, and we are going to share from various parts of the country what happened and even the way forward. But I want to say that it has been a very challenging time for the school heads this second term of 2026.
Niwaweta kana Alimu Anene nimakunekiithya vanene kumana na Ithokoo ila ikuuseiwe Masukuluni tamu uwa keli aweta kana vena vata wa mawalan'yo mwanya kuikiwa ni kana manyiwa ala matakuiwa meeaniye kwithwa Sukuluni sya ukoma kana boarding schools mavikie kunewa mwanya wa kuthi Sukulu sya kwenuka ni kana methiwa matonya kulungwa ni asyai kwa vakuvi.
But I would say that there are learners who are not comfortable in boarding schools. Maybe for those learners, they should find a way to day schools where they can be under the close monitoring of parents. I think boarding schools require learners with a lot of responsibility. And therefore, our submission would be the learners who are not able to cope with the boarding regulations, they become day scholars.
Ikomano yina ilani ya mithenya itano yithiwe vikitu ni Alimu Anene Sukulu Sya Sekondali mbee wa ngili muonza vala chelelo cha mwaka ni kuikiithya ni maili ya mutalatala wa CBO vamwe na kwailia ungamei wa masukulu na kuendeesya ngwatanio kati wa ene iyanda kivathukan'yo ni kana kwailia kisomo va nthi ya Kenya.
The theme for this conference is strong schools and the collaborative leadership for promoting competency-based education. You know that the competency-based education has reached the secondary schools, and now we are actually implementing it. So we want to come to this forum and think, how best can we do it? This theme reflects our commitment to strengthening school leadership, fostering collaboration among education stakeholders.
As Chairman says, this year's theme is strong schools and collaborative leadership for promoting competency-based education, which is very timely as Kenya advances CBC implementation, highlighting the importance of strong institutions, effective leadership in preparing learners for the future. At KCB, we believe strong schools are built through strong partnerships. We are committed to supporting schools through financing, sustainability solutions, and strategic partnerships that will help these institutions grow and thrive.
Ilivyosia vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni itawa Angelina Mose.